course, my name is Manish. I am co-founder of Bitkart, and thank you so much for placing an order at Bitkart. I am making this video especially for you, and I am making this video from my studio in Delhi at Nehru Place. So, quickly run through the configuration that you played. This is the MSI 100 black cabinet. Then you've chosen i7 12700KF. Then you've chosen a motherboard, which is B660M-A DDR4. Then you've chosen a Galax 3060 Ti DDR4. And you've chosen a 650 watts MSI bronze power supply. You've chosen Android 2 GameX 1TB NVMe. You've chosen 8 gigs of 3200 GameX D30 of RAM. And then lastly, the liquid cooler is MSI 240R V2 Black. This machine has been built by Mr. Harsh. Let's have a look at the video. Entire video. As promised, we are going to show you this video. This is totally synced through a software. I would request Harsh to sync it now. This has started syncing. See, this is one color. He's syncing through a software. See, another color. How many colors can we sync? The rainbow.
There are multiple effects.
It's a multiple effect, Mr. Marco. See, this is another color. See, another green.